What's going on, guys? I've been out of town for a while. Finally, I'm back, and let's do some technical analysis here. I have SPY daily chart. Let's see what happened. I mean, SPY just went to the moon, and it's still in a downtrend, as you can see from the channel here. It's going down, down, down. But I want to take a look at the indicators. So um, we have the MACD that is making a series of lower high, and but it's still cross to the bulls. So there is that. That's positive. Now the RSI, it's going up, as you can see here. So that is another positive sign. And the PMO is going up, cross to the bulls, and is making a series of lower highs. So far it still looks bullish, although on the chart is a little overextended. Let me zoom in so you guys can see better. It's way out of this channel. So in my opinion, we're gonna start to see a little bit of peaking, and probably that's why Friday is sold off, because it's kind of peaking. So the price closed below the 5 days double exponential moving average, but the three double exponential moving average that I have, which is five here, this is 20, and this is 50, they're still crossed all to the bulls. So what can happen here? In my opinion, we're gonna see some choppy around, and probably, the price going a little bit down, maybe retesting the 20, maybe retesting the 50, and eventually coming back to this channel. Although there is something that I want to show you on a longer time frame that kind of looks very bullish to me. But before we do that, the volume profile, the peak of the volume is around 395 over here. So 395, 396. So the price can easily come down to this level and then bounce back up. So we have to be open to that possibility. If we go on the weekly time frame, which is here, okay, weekly time frame, I want to show you something really important. So first of all the indicators on the weekly are bullish. MACD is cross to the bulls, RSI is going up, and PMO is cross to the bulls and going up. So everything is bullish. Um, if I zoom in, the 20 days double exponential moving average just crossed to the bulls, crossed above the 50 days double exponential moving average. So this is huge. It's really huge. And the price closed above the 5 days double exponential moving average that is going up. So far, it still looks very bullish. But here is what's even more important. The price just came inside of the reg channel after has been down and to the bottom. So this is very well expected. And also the volume profile, it peaks around 446, and this is going to be between 416 and 420. But even more important than this is that the price, I want to zoom in even more so you guys can see, the price closed above the previous top here. Okay, which basically it's a confirmation of an uptrend, and we now can use Fibonacci on the weekly chart. If we use Fibonacci and we have this low, this high, and this low, we have the projection of the price, which, the projection is 437 for the 100% move, and 476 for the 161% move, which also corresponds to the 472 level, which is the which is basically the upper level of the volume profile. So this can be huge if if you are on the right side of the trade. And that can be almost retesting the peak. I mean, the peak is 480, so if we go up here, it's 472. It's a possibility. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen. But at the moment, the price looks that, I mean, the price action is telling us that. Now, of course, there is resistance here that needs to be broken. There is yeah, that's support, resistance. So there are some key levels that we need to verify. And I guess we'll see what happens here this week. So this is all for SPY, and